上，你们拿走，我们就是走时就锁上，不进来。
It almost looks like it's ready.
Is it fully subbed?
It looks pretty bottom, dude. When is Lightning Network going to be fully implemented? It's going to be a while, I think. XVG to Bitcoin? Lol. Why do you even have Ridge? I don't have any Ridge right now, dude. But it has the bottom pattern. That's what I'm looking for, dude. Ontology is supposed to be a neo killer. It's another platform coin. Capable of dApps, and it does have active dApps as well, too.
Alright, let's fucking go.
Yeah, that's another platform one. And as you can see here, it's pretty bottomed. And it wasn't even part of the bull run. So yeah, this was in April of 2018. So like from here, like dude, I did 400x, dude, 500x. So if this was to go bull run again, if this was to go in the bull run, it'd be completely a different story. And it looks pretty bottomed. I mean, you got a higher low, higher RSI, it's getting strength. So that's why I think it's a pretty good buy, I think. I'm in it for sure. Okay, making progress. No, it's spent it all on porn. How so much porn? I sent a request to get data, but it said it was blocked by. Meaning it said it was blocked by course policy, meaning it doesn't want our domain to get their data. Huh. Porn coin. I think there is one or something like that. Keith Gufu. I think there is something like that. Titty coin or something like that. So it doesn't even want our domain to access their data. think so, dude. I'm pretty sure there is, man. Look it up. I think it's called Titty Coin. It's on CoinMarketCap too. Something further than. So how did Creative Builds do it then? Because somehow he's able to actually have a bot. Maybe his bot doesn't even work now, dude. Maybe his bot doesn't even work. Dude, his bot doesn't even work anymore. Maybe he's not running off of a domain. Maybe to like something like he has on the side, Pi, or I don't know. So it's not actually going to the domain itself. What coins do you have, Keith Kifu? Kufu. Keith Kufu, what coins do you have? I don't think his bot's actually working right now. That's weird. Maybe he's not running off of a domain website, or maybe he's sending something that I'm not, that I need to. You have quarters, good coins. You guys just have 88, dude. You can get stamps. And fucking cringy tattoos. Boosh, what is your display picture? I don't know why I think it's Mr. Potato Head. I don't know why I think it's Mr. Potato Head, dude. But it's not. I know he would. He would be able to tell you how to do it in 2 minutes, dude. Yeah, I'm pretty sure those couple diamonds will go pretty far.
Oh, fuck yeah, bud.
Is it working?
Nah, it's still fucked.
Oh, fuck yeah, bud.
I'm just bored as fuck.
Dude, he'd be able to do it in like a couple seconds. I think my back, my shoulder's fucked.
Yo, what's a decent set of results for a strategy, in your opinion?
For results?
Yeah.
Like percentage-wise?
Percentage, profitability factor, Sharp ratio, whatever you want to use as the unit of measurement.
I mean, if it's 60%, I think that's pretty good. And have that run over a lot of plays, I guess, right?
So like above 60 and more than, let's say like more than 30 trades for every time frame. Is that probably reasonable?
I guess, yeah, I think that'd be pretty good. I'm talking to this guy part of a trading group. The Goat Club. He's a fellow goat.
Alright.
Talking about a trading bot. What's a good percentage for a trading bot? 30 trades for every time frame. Yep. 30 trades for every time frame. He does, yeah. That's what he's trying to figure out right now. Maybe he might know. You know, the sporter, maybe he might know, because he's doing something with, I don't know. Are you coding it, or what's this, what are you...
Yeah, I'm coding it.
What language?
Well, I mean, it's in Pine, so
It was what? I missed it.
no, it's in Pine.
Pine. I see.
I mean, it's eventually going to be put into Python, but that's once me and my team get it to an effective strike rate. I mean, it's really good to begin with right now. Like it's the
For
best shit that
crypto,
I've.
right?
Okay.
For crypto?
Yeah, but it works on all markets pretty much. Works on the majority of time frames as well and shit like that. So
I don't know. He does it on Pine for Python. Python code ADA smart contracts. What? Python coded ADA smart contracts. Bybit, that is degen, dude. It's Bitfinex. No, it's BitMEX. BitMEX. You can do it, dude. I'm pretty sure they allow everywhere. 25x, dude. Look at this. That's degen, dude. Fuck it, dude. Mostly focus on this one right now. It's just ontology. That's what I'm focused on.
You just let go.
Cardano uses Python? Or frog you?
Jonathan, 说的
Frog. I said frog. Dude, programmers are a rare breed to begin with, dude. Like, yeah, I really have no idea, dude. I don't think there's anyone here that would know, actually. I'm not even gonna lie.
why you ever do any coding?
I tried to learn, but then that was it. Didn't really get anywhere from it.
Yeah, fair enough.
I don't know. My friend's telling me about, like, he's trying to pull data from this site, but he's not able to do it, or he doesn't know how to do it. I don't know.
Yeah, sounds like typical fucking crypto T-gem, bro.
Go 100x and time to pick up.
Fuck, man. Whew. Goddamn, I'm getting fucking heated here.
Do you smoke?
cigarette. I'll smoke weed.
Let's go for a smoke.
No, I want to get this shit done, man. Go for a smoke after I get this done. You should look more into automation, man. Automation's so much more fucking efficient than manual trading. Fuck all that bullshit.
Because you don't even watch it, right? It's just some parameters, and then boom, it just goes.
Yeah, word. It's difficult to determine those correct parameters, but yeah. I don't know, man. The markets are so subjective that there's plenty of shit that could happen during the entire day. And you're going to be active for,
The entire
majority
day.
of it. More than likely not. So, I don't know. It's just it's more incentivizing to create a system that gives you passive small gains on a regular basis than you potentially having to be glued to your computer, for the majority of your free time just to try and get some of those bigger gains. It's more attractive to me, at least. It makes more sense to me. I'm sure a lot of the degens in here will probably disagree. Yeah, but I use 100x fucking leverage, man. Fuck, I get so much. Okay, dope. That's cool. But
I got a question for you.
yeah.
How would you make a post request to get JSON data?
To what exchange or what?
He's not even exchange. He's just trying to pull info. So like, let's say like a Twitch, someone live streaming. He just wants to pull data. So like, if they're online, it would make a notification for them to be online. But there's no API.
There's no public API to the site.
No.
Well then, like, you can't pull any API data because there's no API publicly. There isn't an access point, right?
No.
I mean, like, if there's no public API, then you can't pull any API data from the site because there's no connection point.
Well,
like you could do it. You could consider doing it other ways. Like, like if for Twitch as an example, like there's systems that are already built to notify people when somebody goes live, right? So you would have to. It wouldn't be like a request that you're sending it. You would just be forwarding that notification via another platform to, your endpoint, whatever your endpoint is.
oh,
Does that make sense?
I think so, kinda. There's other ways to do it though. That's right, without needing the API. That's what you're saying,
I mean,
right?
like, yeah, pretty much. I mean, if there's no public API for site, you can't do anything. So like you guys are gonna have to determine a different way to forward the information to whatever endpoint you guys are looking at.
Interesting. Thanks for your feedback.
No worries, man.
I don't know how Creative Builds does it, because I don't think it works right now. So they must have changed it, because I think Tidy was. Oh well, I guess not. I guess it works now. Sub Leo. For now, I'm just gonna get rid of the live now and offline until we can ask creative builds. Yeah, I guess that would. Yeah, I guess that'd be a pretty good point. And we're just finishing the site's look. I guess the main focus right now would be just the peppies or the stickers or a different sticker section. Open chest or flex. Open chest or flex. I want to see those muscles. What do you? Bro, stop spamming, bro. Open chest. Open chest. Flex those chests. Are you trying to come up with like the strategy, I guess, right now, or?
No, I have all the strategy. Strategy's fucking banger as fuck. Like, it's the best fucking strategy I've ever put my eyes on. And it's not some bullshit either. So, like, it works. It's fucking great. It's really fucking good, to be quite honest with you, man. No, I'm just, so now what I'm doing is looking at position sizing and also risk management within it as well. But because of Pine's fucking strategy restrictions, they're really not that, I don't know, they just don't have a lot of like basic fucking concepts, like, you know, like, well, when I'm DCAing in a position, if I DCA in a position, I want to ensure that I'm DCAing with a larger value, a larger amount than what my initial fucking entry amount is. You know, like if
Every
you're gonna
DCA
DCA,
level?
you're gonna, eh?
Every DCA level?
Yeah, like when
Whether
you
it's double
DCA
or
more or
triple
less.
or.
Yeah, exactly. But for some fucking stupid reason, you can't set strategy position size per buy variable, so, or per buy condition. So even if you have multiple buy conditions, like, it doesn't fucking matter because it just doesn't let you. It just doesn't. I don't fucking know. It's fucking ridiculous. Fuck. It's just fucking garbage. I hate fucking Pine. It's so fucking stupid. Like, they have a function in here that allows you to reduce only a position, so you can scale out of a position. But like, if you have that advanced of a function, like, why the fuck do you not have the availability to do separate, do like
To do the opposite.
dynamic amounts per buys rather than like a static buy for every fucking signal? Like, it just fucking boggles my mind. It's like, for real, like, I think that TradingView is just a bunch of fucking geeky fucking coders that have no fucking trading experience, because they really miss the fucking mark in a lot of these aspects, man. I'm looking at it and I'm like,
Interesting.
who fucking made the call that this wasn't important to add in here? Like, what, you guys have all these fucking language operators? Like, I don't need half of these. But yeah, I want to ensure that I'm able to enter into a position with, you know, a different fucking equity amount per, you know, whatever fucking requirements met. Like, fuck, it's ridiculous. Fuck.
Bunch of nerds, but no traders.
Just a bunch of fucking morons. TradingView is a terrible fucking platform. It's just because they have a monopoly on the space. That's why they have so much fucking hype behind them. So many fucking broken issues and aspects about TradingView that have just been like swept under the rug. They're literally, okay, so like, this is their customer service platform, okay? You file a support ticket, and if that ticket is left idle for like before you've confirmed that the issue is solved, the system automatically closes the fucking support ticket. Do you know how fucking backwards that customer support platform is? Like, what the actual fuck? Like, if a customer files a complaint with you guys, you don't just like close this ticket because you guys haven't replied with a fucking fix yet, but they have it built in there because they're hoping that people just give up on their issues. That's why, so that they can say, oh, it must have, like, because I've had this done to me, and also a bunch of my buddies have as well, because we're very vocal about how shit their fucking platform is and complain to them all the time about it. But it's just fucking ridiculous, man. It's so fucking backwards. Like, they're lucky that there is not another like large entity out there that is well known and offers as much as they do, because they offer a lot of shit, but
We
it's just
had one cave.
not
It's gone.
fucking optimized
I
shit.
don't know why
That's the
people
problem.
unfollow. It's weird.
Whew. Get me fucking heated here.
Yeah, dude. like the one experience I had with TradingView support, yeah, it wasn't very helpful at all. We have your money. Okay, good luck. See ya.
Exactly. Yeah. Well, it's like their fucking house rules. Like, what fucking sorority bullshit is this, dog?
It's the
Like
rules.
their
That's what
house
they said
rules.
too. It's the rules. Rules are rules. I was like, what? Okay.
Like if I post a private indicator, but I mess up on the content or like the whatever the description of it or something like that, like I have to. Oh fuck. They're like, well, per the house rules, you're not supposed to be able to edit an indicator 48 hours after you post it. I'm like, what the fuck is this, dog? Like, what are you talking about? Like, let me edit my fucking indicator. Like, are you fucking retarded? Like, is this fucking preschool? Like,
This
what?
is
Like,
this
who
just
are
a
you
guy
to
in the
dictate
trading
what
group
the
that we
fuck?
have.
Like, what control
He's trying
you
to
have
code
over
something.
my fucking content that I'm providing on your platform? Like, you've got to be fucking kidding me. Whew, man,
Oh, yeah, I guess.
what a bunch of fucking
I
inbred
guess
moron.
you could just have um, just the pictures of the people. I guess for now, unless maybe if creative builds can do it. But yeah, I guess yeah, like yeah, 2 days of time, like that's pretty trash, dude. I'm not saying that you're trash, like dude, wasting 2 days of that, like, and you're not getting anywhere with it, I guess, is pretty trash. I don't know why it is. I thought we had 1K, and then like, I don't know. I don't know if someone's like coming in and then they see me on, they're like, nope, sorry, dude, you're boring. No content here. See you later. Ask him when he goes live too, and then, dude, I feel like the site that looks finished has to be important. If people are actually going around talking about it, I think, yeah, I think it's definitely gotta look like it, right? BitMEX swap perpetuals. Do you have socials other than Discord for your stream? Instagram and my Twitter, which is actually XVG Godzilla. But I think we can change that name to XVG Twitter. Uh, the longest chain. Our Twitch, I guess. Twitch, our Discord group is just a group that we can change. Chain gang, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. This is Twitch, I think, Instagram, and Twitter. You spent all your XVG on porn? Get Bobby flex. I'll pay you. I'm not gonna flex for you guys. Flexing for a bunch of dudes. To me on Discord, okay. Too much testosterone, no females. Wait, hold on. 80.9 Bitcoin of stolen funds transferred from Bitfinex hack to unknown wallet. Somebody's tracking this, dude. That's crazy. Somebody's tracking this. in 2016, so that was 3 years, and the count moves. Dump it.
Like that. Why is he
Yeah, there's more of them, dude. Do you know about this boost? Whale alert? All these coins that they have, and when it moves, they fucking make an alert. Okay, hold on.
The obvious likely pair is him and Jake, yeah? But I think they.
The longest kissing chain. Lol.
Who's surprised that you just came out? New dynamic.
Dude, I haven't touched this thing in a long time.
Maybe he's just being smart. It's very obvious that Jacob would pick one of those pairs.
Change this name? Hold on.
Because of Ethan.
Someone already has the name, dude. Longest chain. Okay, fucking sweet, that works.
So cute. Oh my god.
Rip, longest chain.
Johnny is everything that Johnny is. Okay. What's Tatsu?
YouTube.
What's for Changmu? Everyone's left for Changmu. Dude, I'm telling you, this is the roast. Everyone is jacked, bro.
Does it work like that? I don't think so. The YouTube's busted.
Fuck off that. That's not smart, but no problem.
Ha. Gym stream? HTTPS twitch.tv/ the longest chain. I think that's how it is. Boom, I think that's it. That thing makes me laugh. Yeah, that's it, dude.
Yeah, Jade.
Thanks, Esporto. Strategy to get. Go to follow on Twitter. I wonder who that is. Which wants me to flex it? I don't. Why? Why? That's about it. That's all the flexing is. Fuck it, dude. My sister can follow me too. Fuck it, dude.
Wow, amazing.
Okay, so wait. So how do I access this bot again? D-Dive bot. Let's update, because we need to update some stuff. You're absolutely right. Boost, thank you. Exclamation mark socials, dude. That would be key. Screen number follows for the stream. Display the stream title. Leno, my Leno. Super user. Giveaway, security, admin. Commands. Wait, how do I change my? No, isn't Dan Scott? Not Creative Build, Dan Scott. Okay, so Dan Scott is the guy who lives in my town, I think. Fuck. Is it my connection that keeps the stream buffer?
It's Johnny, bro! It's J&J!
Our connection jumps around. 994 kbs, 848. I don't want to say it's yours, but it could be mine. It really could be mine. Oh, it's tidy. Titty. Titty Labs. Gold Edition. Version 3. Wait. Discord chat box. Hold up. How do I do that? Exclamation mark socials. What's CC? D-Live partner, RIP. Viewer count, D-Live chess. I don't really give a fuck with this chess. On the screen or not. Chat overlay. Oh, this is how you get the text to speech.
Vadi the Minish says you can use DigiLabs or the live bot.
Speak to me. Can you tell us?
Vati the Minish says he can't get TTS working.
No, dude, we don't. Emily? Oh, it's too close to my sister's name. Anna. Yeah, say something.
Fahrterminisch says the select a voice option is empty.
Yeah, that's weird. Oh, then select the voice option, is it?
Vati the Minish says voor me.
Vati the Minish, dude, try to...
Disportun says fuck you.
that sounds German, that sounded German.
Vati the Minish says I tried asking for support but I got. ...
Nothing. Iona?
Vati the Minish says he tried several browsers.
Joanna? Did you try? It doesn't work for you? Why? You have these supported?
Disportun 6%.
Percento. Joanna sounds... Jorge. Just use Google English. I've got it. Try it now.
勒朗斯特彻恩萨斯 CANI 多西斯迪斯波特姆萨斯哈洛维尔特瓦蒂西米尼什萨斯莱奥克斯怀特萨斯姆雷克特
What?
Селон Джестиинсес Лиолис Эрект.
That sounds so Russian.
Вотис Минишсес Зензерс Зисван.
버티서미니시 세즈 초보자를 의미하는 일본 기호 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 POOSHK 센트 A 스타이커
BOOCHK says Visagi Jessigate Hilamide.
Wait it. Yo.
The longest Kayan says say my name. Vadi the Minish says lol.
This one's okay. This one's okay so far, actually.
Vadi the Minish says Japanese symbol for beginner. This one is a fun one.
Symbol for beginner. Okay, Victoria's okay. Victoria's on the list.
BOOSHK sent a sticker. BOOSHK says lysergic acid dithylamide. Disportum says ich habe mit deiner Schwester gesklaffen. Philongestrain says Victoria is good.
Ding ding.
The longest chain says Jing Jing say Ping Ping.
That's troll, dude. That's fucking troll.
Leo X White says delete my comment chain. Disportum says Bing Ping Ting Ding Ling Ming Ming.
Delete your comment. I can't delete your comment, Leo. Actually can't do it. Here, watch. Click. I can't. You're just gonna have to be erect, dude. I can't.
BOOSHK says I am gay.
Oh shit, boy. We trying to pump. I didn't even fucking realize. I was too busy coding.
It kind of looks like that.
Vati the Minish says,
Goddamn, what's going
Japanese
on?
symbol
Holy
for
fuck,
beginner.
the markets are alive. Bruh, I didn't even get my fill, goddamn.
Fuck.
Orders getting wrecked. Gotta run them stops.
Disportum says
Is this just a
Disportum
short
says
squeeze, or is
toxic.
this real?
Vati the Minish says www. Leo X White says lol. Vati the Minish says TS.
Probably a bunch of stops above 80-20. Maybe we'll try to run those.
Vati
Yeah,
the Minish
probably.
says TTS is
But I
fun.
feel like if they do run those stops above there, man, they're just gonna create a fucking short squeeze. We're just gonna bar back up.
That's the whole point, you know? You gotta have price movement to make money. Whales want that.
Disportum says elect penis.
No, yeah. I get you. I get you.
Question is, when do we bark back down?
I
There's
mean,
no way
I
this
just
is real.
Change says Mike Hope.
I don't think this is
Vati the
real. I
Minish
was
says
just gonna stop. Yeah. I haven't got my long fill yet, so I mean I'm not really pissed, but
I'd like to be, yeah, a lot more long than I am right now.
still waiting down at
Telonist chain says wat leagues apples.
the fuck am I waiting for here?
Okay. Sorry.
I'm waiting for like 73.
Leo X White says oh my balls.
73
BOOSHK says.
on
Disportum says you're distracting
next.
my work at the longest
That's what my
chain.
fill is.
BOOSHK says.
This is nothing, Boost. Dude, I don't know. This is. I'm distracted by this too. Okay, so Samantha makes a cut.
Yeah, I was planning on buying 7-4 and then cucked out last night. Ugh.
Damn.
Vadi the Minish
That'd been
says.
nice.
Japanese symbol for beginner. 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 The longest chain says Samantha and Victoria so far are good. Vadi the Minish says. P. BOOSHK says fuck that bitch.
I just want, can we just get a typical fucking fake out? We'll just make a lower low and then go on our fucking run. Like, can we just dip down? I need 73.
We had that. That was this morning. We had a lower low by like $20.
Yeah, but let's just get another one, all right? Like just one more.
Just to run everybody stops, we had to hit that lower low.
No, but like now let's really run everyone stops, okay? Let's just do it one more time, okay? Because now everyone's like, okay, that was definitely the bottom, yeah. So let's do that.
Maybe tomorrow, if we're lucky.
I'm just gonna be pissed if I miss my fucking entry by like
Japansk symbol for nybegynner.
Nora
Forstørrelsesplass.
doesn't make it.
Japansk
Monica.
I've been waiting
symbol for
since like
nybegynner. Forstørrelsesplass.
fucking
Japansk
85,
symbol
man.
for nybegynner.
Full on my
Forstørrelsesplass.
shit at 85.
Japansk symbol for nybegynner. Disportum says sorry for bed England, sorry for bed England, sorry for bed England, sorry for bed England, sorry for bed England.
I've been waiting quite a while, man. I've been waiting for like almost a week here to get a position. Holy fuck. I didn't even realize it was that long. It's giving me lots of time to work on this fucking strategy, though. So I'm not that worried.
They told me to wait for 6K.
BOOSHK says, magnifying glass,
believing this can
Japanese
happen
symbol
now.
for beginner, magnifying glass, Japanese
If we
symbol
don't,
for
if I don't
beginner,
get a fill,
magnifying glass, Japanese symbol for beginner,
I mean,
magnifying
even
glass,
if I
Japanese
got stopped
symbol
out
for
on a
beginner,
7-3
magnifying
entry,
glass,
I'm
Japanese
gonna be
symbol for
looking to go
beginner,
long around like
magnifying glass,
50.
Japanese symbol for beginner, magnifying
like
glass,
54.
Japanese symbol for beginner, magnifying glass, Japanese symbol for beginner,
It's hard to see
magnifying
this keeping
glass,
all the way down
Japanese
there,
symbol for
honestly.
beginner, magnifying
Well,
glass, Japanese symbol for beginner,
Looking at the
magnifying
image, let's
glass,
see.
Japanese symbol for beginner, magnifying glass, Japanese symbol for beginner, magnifying glass, Japanese symbol for beginner,
Yeah, okay, if we
magnifying
stay in this
glass,
downward channel
Japanese
we're in
symbol for beginner,
for a
magnifying
long
glass,
time, say 2
Japanese
weeks
symbol
or
for
so,
beginner,
we get down there.
magnifying glass, Japanese symbol for
Really
beginner,
bearish,
magnifying
but I
glass,
mean, I'm
Japanese
not even
symbol for
bearish
beginner,
so much.
magnifying glass,
Oh.
Japanese symbol for beginner, magnifying glass,
no, Cindy's the
Japanese
shit
symbol
I'm
for
looking at.
beginner, magnifying glass, Japanese symbol for beginner, magnifying
That's all
glass,
I'm looking at there.
Japanese symbol for beginner,
National waiting.
magnifying glass,
The channel's been
Japanese
working out
symbol
real
for
You were
good.
beginner,
literally kids in a toy
magnifying
store,
glass,
dude.
Japanese symbol for beginner, magnifying
channel
glass,
drawn
Japanese
from
symbol for beginner,
bottom
magnifying glass,
Toy store.
Japanese symbol for beginner, magnifying glass, Japanese symbol for beginner,
YouTube channel,
magnifying
but-
glass,
Mama, how do you
Japanese
know that,
symbol
Leo?
for beginner,
Pretty
magnifying
fucking
glass,
perfect
Japanese
for
symbol
the
for
last,
beginner.
like,
Thilongus Chain says 8
fucking
equals
5
D.
years, so.
Vouty the Minish says I have been waiting for you, smile face. Dispartum says Schmajan Barjan 4 in the morning, Schmajan Barjan
What?
Marjan Dodjan.
Just fibs?
Dispartum says we're like kids in
Yeah,
a toy
single
store.
tip channel, yeah.
Vouty
It's
the
been
Minish
working out
says
for
lol.
Very simple.
not
Vouty the
5
Minish
years,
says
but,
magnifying
like,
glass,
more,
Japanese symbol for
like
beginner,
3 years.
magnifying
Like
glass,
Japanese
Japanese symbol for
More
beginner,
legible, right?
magnifying glass,
Yeah.
Japanese symbol for beginner,
Long time.
magnifying glass, Japanese symbol for
Which is
beginner.
why I
Leo
give it
X
so much
White
weight.
says do mamai.
I fucking hate manual trading.
BOOSHK
It's so
says
fucking
updeftage do not
subjective. Everyone's
Brstovixes.
looking at this and fucking that line,
BOOSHK
blah,
says
blah.
Leo.
I'm just like, yo,
BOOSHK
just give me
says it
some
keeps going.
predefined
Vouty
fucking
the Minish says lol.
angular fucking
Dispartum
lines
says from
here, and I'm
gloom
good, man.
dunaft
They
who
look like
arlia
they're being
luganagl
respected. I'll go
fatan
with
from
them.
gloom dunaft who
Figure that's
arlia
how the bigger
luganagl
money
fatan
probably
from
does it. I
gloom
don't give a
dunaft
fuck about
who arlia luga.
EMA fucking MA crossover MACD RSI below fucking 30.
I think that's Mora.
Like, cool, we're just gonna DCA in this fucking market because it's just heading up. It's major parabolic overall market, okay? So we're just gonna DCA in, man. We don't need any of these fucking bullshit indicators. Like, if this shit has any potential future of continued all-time high prices, like, it's always a good time to buy.
Buy the dips.
Vouty the Minish says, magnifying glass, Japanese symbol for beginner.
This
Disportum
channel
sent
is
sticker.
pretty fucking good.
Yeah, I'm liking this chart a lot, actually. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is a nice channel right here.
Thilongus Chain says by the day. BOOSHK says I have no friends here is for you μεγεθυντικός φακός, ιαπωνικό σύμβολο για αρχάριο, μεγεθυντικός φακός, ιαπωνικό σύμβολο για
What did she
αρχάριο,
say?
μεγεθυντικός φακός, ιαπωνικό σύμβολο για αρχάριο, μεγεθυντικός φακός, ιαπωνικό σύμβολο για αρχάριο,
For what?
μεγεθυντικός φακός, ιαπωνικό σύμβολο για αρχάριο, μεγεθυντικός
my stop
φακός,
loss.
ιαπωνικό σύμβολο για αρχάριο,
Yeah, yeah.
μεγεθυντικός φακός, ιαπωνικό σύμβολο για αρχάριο, 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 μεγεθυντικός φακός, ιαπωνικό σύμβολο για αρχάριο. Body the Minish says lol. This Borden says what the fuck did you just fucking
Dude,
say
no,
about
Body
me?
the Minish is gonna come
Little bitch,
again.
have you know I graduated top of my class in the Navy SEALs. Body the Minish says μεγεθυντικός φακός, ιαπωνικό σύμβολο για αρχάριο, 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 μεγεθυντικός φακός, Ιαπωνικό
I mean,
σύμβολο
like,
για
especially
αρχάριο.
when we take that drop
Μεγεθυντικός
from
φακός.
6K.
Ιαπωνικό σύμβολο για
When we
αρχάριο.
drop from 6K,
Μεγεθυντικός
man, if you look
φακός.
over to the left,
Ιαπωνικό
like, you show
σύμβολο
me
για
another fucking
αρχάριο.
good reason
Μεγεθυντικός
why we
φακός.
should bounce off
Ιαπωνικό
the
σύμβολο
red
για
line,
αρχάριο.
man.
The longest
Like,
chain
why
says
there should have
Lulu.
been support in that. That was to the left-hand side. That was previous,
It didn't
like,
even read the
lower
rest.
support range. Like, who the fuck is
It
trying
broke.
to go long at, like, the bottom of previous support? Like, that's that's not how that's supposed to fucking work, man. And it must have taken a lot of volume to hold us up when we're
broke.
dumping like that. So,
Well,
in
I
my
was
mind,
thrilled it sat there for a
I
little
think
while.
it
I was
actually
like,
broke.
I upload the rest of my coins out of storage and sell them, but yeah.
oh, decent. You're fucking pretty
I'm like,
well off.
yay, they saved me. I have enough time to send everything to the exchange. Sell everything. It's not nailed down. But yeah, that was a fun dump. It was very exciting. A lot of panic.
Yeah, I had all my
Bought
holdings
more at the
on.
bottom.
Yeah, I know. Fuck. Typical. Classic fucking retail money. I hope it goes back down, man.
Not for a while.
Yeah, fuck.
We're so bullish right now. We can barely even get a real dump. I mean, like, the best they could do is push it down $1,000 and kind of get stuck. It's just nuts.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But if we do have our correction down to like 54, that'll be pretty good.
Yeah, that would be good test of, long-term channel support. Shake out everybody who's not serious. And after that, there won't be much resistance going up, that's for sure.
Yeah, we kind of get an opportunity to fill a lot of the fucking price action periods on our way up here. Those price action
We're
periods
up
were
like
just constantly
$800 in
going up.
like 2 minutes.
Yeah, exactly.
That was a fun day.
That was a good day. That was lots
Made
of
a
fun
lot of
for
money
scalping.
that day. Watched a lot of people who were short
Dude,
screen.
I think it's actually going. That thing goes. Clah.
I'm like, dude, this has been predicted for like weeks
I think
now.
it's broken. I actually
Of
think
course
it's
this is
broken.
gonna happen. We can't go sideways forever. Eventually, it's gonna go up. Here's a nice 320 coin ask wall on Binance. Guy who got in like half an hour
It's
ago
broken.
wants out now.
It's actually broken. Text to speech doesn't work.
Yeah, I mean, I think volume's been going down a little bit, so we're cooling off somewhat. Less FOMO action.
To like continued upwards movement?
No, I'm thinking a little bit more down. Because I mean, I sort of feel like this entire rally was literally driven by people who had Tether on the exchange, and they were buying back in at the price they sold at. Basically, it was mostly a FOMO Tether rally. There was some new money, but I don't think there was significant amounts.
What, for like from the bottom, or what do you mean?
Yeah, no, from the bottom. We sat at like 35, 38 for like days and days and days and days and days.
Oh man, that was so obviously accumulation.
Yes, it was, but
that was like bigger player accumulation, man. That was not like
the big guys. They're all along from down there, and it's now that we're up here, we have retail and we have dudes who are noobs sitting in Tether. I mean, that's basically what we have. Big guys are already filled.
Oh, are you talking about like just this small rally that we just had like recently?
No, I'm talking about the overall whole market picture as we were going up, 2 months ago. We had
okay.
Insane FOMO. I think that's passed for a little while.
Maybe that voice is.
We gotta go down.
You said cash on OBS.
I don't think there was so much like retail money buying in as it was big money squeezing.
Hold up.
Like.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, because like if you looked when we were at that like 51 area, I mean I was like it doesn't matter regardless if I was saying it or not. Like I was talking about the fact that like shorts were at an all-time high in comparison to long positions, and like it just stayed there that entire like 51 range because I mean that's kind of how squeezes work, right? Like you have a move, consolidation period, overextended, everyone gets comfy, and then by the time everyone's sitting there with their opinion and their mind made up that it's going to go down or it's going to go up, then they move the opposite direction because they know there's going to be a large amount of liquidity in the wrong directional trade position at that time. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we can go like sideways forever, so people shorts build up confidence. They're like, oh, we're definitely gonna go down now. We just had this big move up.
And that's kind of like what happened here, I think. Like with this little
It was working without it though.
That just
It was
happened.
working before.
Yeah, exactly. Because we had that nice little consolidation range there. Everyone's loading up on their shorts. Oh, it's definitely gonna keep going down, and I guarantee someone's looking at that and they're like, "Oh, it's a good spot to fucking run some stops." All right, cool.
Go Sacker, hello.
Bitcoin consolidation is generally bullish. I feel like not bearish. I don't know why everybody gets so short when we have these consolidation periods, but I don't know. It's a bull market now. I was like, what are you doing? I don't know. It was pretty fun though. We were back down. We were down at the 4,000 levels. I mean, that was just get insanely long. It was very obvious that big moves were gonna happen. Especially once it started breaking all-time highs. I'm just like, yep, buy everything you can because you can't stop this trade. It's short squeeze.
What do you mean with all-time highs? Like which ones?
Every time we made yearly highs.
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. I guess. But we're still so new into the year. Does that really have that much relevancy?
It did back then. I mean, we had been going sideways for so long. Once it made new yearly highs.
There you go, Sacker.
I mean, it was just it was sort of inevitable.
Thank you for the follow.
It was inevitable.
ZDDDDDZ. Thank you for the follow, dude.
Got pretty nervous when we were up.
Thanks, man. New to the Bitcoin world. That's good, dude. When did you hear about Bitcoin? How'd you hear about Bitcoin?
Size. I'm like, that's probably people trying to get their coins on the exchange to sell them. That's probably not a good thing.
That's true.
But it's hard to say. Mempool space could also get coins in margin short position. So yeah.
Yeah.
We're back down to small mempools now, only 2.4 megs stuck in the backlog. So panic is apparently over.
Oh fuck! I'm not looking forward to when we go on a run, and we continue to hear on Twitter from CZ that oh, the exchange is encountering such high trading such high trading at the moment. We're currently experiencing overload. I'm like, bruh, get your shit figured out, man. What are you fucking doing, dog? You make the most money in this entire fucking like what are you fucking doing, man? Buy some more servers, dog. Upgrade that shit.
Yeah, really.
Fuck, man, that shit's it's really aggravating because like
with mining, it's very tough to mine right now.
It's not that fucking hard, man. Just like literally buy more servers.
Mining is really tough. They're better off spending the money on buying the coins themselves than trying to mine at this point. Because mining it's a huge barrier of entry. You need a lot of money to get into it.
You're the most attractive to retail money, but like 90 or not 90% of the time, but a lot of the time retail money is not what's going to move a market. So if you start having typical overloads on a regular basis, bigger money is going to leave your exchange. They don't want to deal with that kind of shit. They don't have time for it.
Yeah, especially this day.
It's just a couple buddies just talking in a trading group.
Exactly.
My screen is actually frozen. I don't know.
It is. It's so like fuck, man.
They're with what, $3,000?
Printing money.
Yeah, they're pretty much like $3,000. I mean, there is a way to.
Like they just make a fucking killing. Man.
Yeah, they're like they're probably gonna be like minimum 1,000, 3,000. And for that 3,000, you're gonna get way more than what you're gonna mine. You're gonna get like probably like $3,000. You're gonna get almost half a Bitcoin.
And CZ went out and publicly stated that that only takes them like 3 months or something like that to make back. So he's like, it's not a big deal.
So freaking crazy.
I'm like, bro, you can't upgrade off fucking Microsoft DOS in the back room or what? Like, what are you fucking running back there, man? Like, we're trying to trade on here, dog. Come on. Fucking eat it, man.
I don't know, does Coinbase still go down when the market starts moving?
I don't know.
That used to be hilarious. Yeah, I don't trade Coinbase either, so I have no idea. Binance has gotten better. Finex sometimes still has issues, but it's also gotten quite a bit better.
I only trade on Binance. I don't fuck around with leverage or anything anymore.
Yeah, I don't do leverage either.
No.
I would have been liquidated so many times if I did leverage. I would have nothing left.
Well, it's so difficult to deal with the backlog of fucking orders when you're doing automation. for any kind of fucking leverage platform. Like BitMEX is obvious. It's clearly optimized.
Oh no,
like,
you're wrong. Why are you on BitMEX in the first place? Jump onto something like Deribit and learn your shit. Are you fucking...
That's what I'm hearing. Deribit is
Yeah, I
much,
mean, it's
much
great.
better.
That's what I've heard as well. Yeah. But like the main portion of me not wanting to trade with leverage is because to begin with, like if I'm not a profitable trader on a very consistent basis with spot, then it's not a good idea to be trading with leverage. So I mean, like, and I am, but I still think that, to be honest, because of the fuckery that happens in crypto, like leverage is something that
Wait,
should be
hold on.
taken with.
Wait, you just said that you're profitable on spot. So why wouldn't you use leverage on a good exchange like Deribit? Look, fuck BitMEX. It's a piece of shit. Why the fuck wouldn't you use leverage?
Well, because then I have to worry that I'm constantly able to short my current capital, equity amount, at least,
Hold on,
what is
this
it,
thing just
like a
cut
2-to-1
off.
ratio at least, if there's ever any downturn, in which, to be honest with you, is not worth my fucking time.
So trading spot is better for you?
Yeah, just overall, yeah. I'd say I just enjoy it more, fucking much about it.
Hold on, sorry, dude. Sorry.
It's too slow. It's boring.
Maybe. I don't know. I mean, like, I mean, it's kind of, yeah. I mean, it's quote unquote boring, but like, well, and
I find
also
it very boring, but yeah, I understand what he's saying.
Yeah, and like also like the Deribit charts do not respect.
So right here, I have $1 in my hand, and I also have 1 Bitcoin on my phone in my pocket. If I were to give you one of these right now, which one would you accept?
The dollar.
$1 or 1 Bitcoin? Today I'm going to be trying to give away money and see what people want to accept. Cash or cryptocurrencies?
Yo. Give me the 1 Bitcoin, dude. Anything.
Probably the dollar. Yeah.
Why would you accept the dollar over the Bitcoin?
That's almost enough for a Reese's. Almost. Yeah.
The vending machine?
Yeah.
Yep.
Also, I don't know much about Bitcoin, but I know much about dollars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I were to give you one right now, which would you take?
Today, I want the Bitcoin.
And why would you accept the Bitcoin?
Because I followed Bitcoin.
Ooh. He knows what's up then.
Do you have a way to accept that right now?
Do I have a way to accept Bitcoins? No. No one ever trades in them.
So you'd have to have you'd have to get a wallet before I.
Oh, this guy has no idea,
Yeah, I'd have to
dude.
set up like the app and get
Oh, okay.
a banking account or.
Sweet.
I would take the dollar.
That guy has no idea.
The dollar.
Why would you take the dollar?
Because isn't Bitcoin protected by like a password, and if you forget your password, then you lose your Bitcoin?
Essentially.
Like, I'm not gonna lose a dollar.
I mean, it could get.
I can't watch this video.
In the washer and shred into a bunch of pieces, and
what's the
it
cost
could fall out
of
of your wallet?
1 Bitcoin?
Someone could steal your wallet.
Oh, you're right. Okay.
What's the monetary value if we were to liquidate 1 Bitcoin?
Yeah. What's 1 Bitcoin worth?
$5,400.
What the heck? Maybe I want a Bitcoin.
How do you?
Why would you accept the dollar over the
because
Bitcoin?
currently I have 83 cents to my name, so I kind of want the dollar now.
Just because it's a little bit quicker and like.
There's
that's
no.
interesting.
And I mean, also like Bitcoin is risky.
Mm-hmm.
Like if I were to invest, I would invest in something other than Bitcoin.
What about just as like a means of purchasing?
Apple,
things?
Facebook, Google.
So, like,
That's
if I
totally what
gave
she's
you-
gonna
Drugs on
do.
the internet? Yeah, hell yeah.
The Bitcoin. It's just worth like $5,000 right now, isn't it?
Yeah, 5,400.
Yeah, 5,400. It's going back up, right?
Yeah. So have you invested in cryptocurrencies or?
I invested last year, right
Wrecked.
as it went up, like that huge like week. So
It
I
didn't
made
go
like
up.
$1,000 in a week,
Wrecked.
and then I lost all of it.
If you have the time to just like install a wallet on your phone, and I'll send you 25 cents right now.
Oh, well, we have an Uber. So
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah.
You don't have a way to accept it? What the?
I'd take the dollar.
You got wrecked.
Why would you take the dollar over the Bitcoin? Because I'm hungry and I could use it on a vending machine.
The dollar. Yeah, same.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why the dollar over the Bitcoin?
Because that I know its value and it's not going to change.
Yeah.
It doesn't depend on what other people.
Dude. This was 3 weeks ago. Now we're almost at 8K, dude. I bought some Bitcoin when it was at 5K and had spent some because I'm hungry and I can use it on a vending machine. So I had like $20 right now, $30. Value of $1, dude. It's not gonna change. It's for sure, dude. This is what it is.
Do you know? It's a pretty good point. I'll go with that. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean that's one way to spend it. Probably not a bad way.
That's what I'd buy it for.
Yeah.
That's what I'd use it for.
I mean, and there's actually a lot of ways to spend it. Like you can essentially purchase everything on Amazon.
Yeah.
And you actually get a discount for doing it through that service.
Really? I didn't know that.
Right now, a single Bitcoin is worth $5,400.
I didn't actually not know that. That's insane.
Yeah, it is. And
I'll take the Bitcoin.
and it would only take like 30 minutes maybe to sign up and create an account where you can exchange the Bitcoin for.
I don't know. This guy sounds like he's dead though.
Yeah.
Like where's he's super stoned, I think.
I don't really know much about Bitcoin.
Isn't Bitcoin like a guy in a cave in Antarctica? Doesn't he run that?
Dude, these guys are actually clueless, dude. Like actually clueless.
It's a Yeti. But close. No, it's essentially a computer network that secures the database and acts.
This guy really believed.
Yeah, so it's super cool. It's like a community-based transaction thing where like everyone has kind of like a portfolio of all the transactions.
Yes.
How do you turn a Bitcoin into cash? Yeah, how do you do that?
So you go onto an exchange and there's a market and you can exchange your Bitcoin for fiat or for euros. Some places they'll even send you gold bars if you want gold instead of Bitcoin.
But do people actually do this for like real money?
Yeah. I mean, the trading volume in the last 24 hours on Bitcoin has probably been $24 billion or so.
Oh, wow.
So there's a pretty decent sized market.
I think now I would want the Bitcoin. Yeah.
Can I like go change that anywhere?
Yeah, so there's
dude, you can change it anywhere.
Online that
You really go online, dude.
Bitcoin to and then get fiat currency and then
Isn't Bitcoin like a guy and dude? That guy legit actually believed that, dude. That's the thing. He actually believed that. I guess inflation is a myth then.
Buy everything on Amazon and you get a 10% discount on top of that.
He sounds like so. That's the thing, dude. There's no enthusiasm. It's like,
Yeah,
hello, dude. This
So I
is
could just order
Bitcoin.
$5,000 worth of Reese's.
Do you know the value of one Bitcoin right now?
No, I do not.
It's $5,400 ish, somewhere in that range.
Yeah. Yeah, that changes my answer a bit.
Wrecked.
The Bitcoin instead.
Yeah.
So I mean, if you had a way to accept the Bitcoin, like it would probably be the better option because it's more than $5,000 right now.
I mean, that's pretty rad, but
yeah, I mean, if you knew of a way to like exchange it, which you know.
He sounds so quiet. He's so like I can't. It's pretty cringe.
What's like the main hurdle for you in wanting to accept the dollar over a Bitcoin?
I don't think I really understand it well enough to know anything about it. Like I hear about it, but it kind of just feels like one of those things other people know about or value more.
So you you personally can't assign a value to it.
Correct, because I don't understand it.
Yeah, it's just kind of confusing, and you see a lot of stuff where it's like it spiked in its price, but then I also saw things where like it dropped in its value.
It's going
I don't
to
know. I
zero.
trust something that stays pretty current.
What's the main hurdle that's like preventing you think, from wanting
Rad.
to accept
Like
the
for
Bitcoin
real money?
instead of the dollar?
I think it's because it's not like.
He sounds like a stoner, dude. Totally.
Like,
Just
the
say
dollar's
Bitcoin
just
pay your student loans,
piece of
dude.
paper
And they
you
won't
just
have the
take.
patience to
Yeah,
hold.
it's more
No,
of
dude.
its
They fucking
whimsical.
convert it and fucking go buy money. They spend whatever instantly, dude.
Probably because one coin for like Bitcoin, you don't know the value of it. It's just one versus $1, and because it is physical in here, and if you don't know the value for a Bitcoin, then
I mean, if I knew how to like accept it and transfer it into money I can use every day, sure, definitely. But if it's something that I'm just gonna sit and like keep it on the computer and I don't get to use it, like, can I transfer it and then buy a house? That'd be great. I'd love to put a down payment, but like, I don't.
I mean, it's kind of funny because you just brought up like a super controversial topic in the crypto community. Like,
oops.
There's people that are arguing whether or not it's a store of value or it should be used more for transactions. So you've actually created like a split in the blockchain, and that's confusing to explain also.
Yeah, it
but
seems
You
confusing.
don't know the
Yeah.
value of it, dude.
This
Its
dollar, I
current
can't
value right
just
now is
cut
like
it in
8 grand.
half and give both of you 50 cents. A Bitcoin
What
is
time do you have to go to
actually
school?
divisible
So you
down
miss
to like
tomorrow?
the decimal place, so you can send very small
oh,
amounts
that's
to
why
people.
we hear about people like Bitcoin mining and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because like every little bit of things they do like adds up. I don't know. I don't understand it very much. But
If you're willing to install a wallet onto your phone, and you can see how it works, and
sure,
sweet. Yeah, so go ahead and pull your phone out. Go to the App Store.
Coinbase. Don't say Coinbase.
And then I select the amount, so you
It's
can
totally
see here
Coinbase.
it's that much Bitcoin. Alright. And then I hit slide to send, and it's sending the transaction.
This is not
And
Coinbase.
it should pop up there. Sweet, yeah, so you got it now. Yeah, so
No, this
like,
guy's
you
gonna
can
quit his
watch
whole
that,
school and
and
he's gonna.
the amount of the USD value of it will probably fluctuate a little bit as
He's
the
just
price
gonna go full crypto now,
changes.
dude. His life
If
has
you
changed.
enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to support our channel, go ahead and check out our Bitcoin merch here.
He sounds like such a stoner, dude. I don't like it. It's like these college kids aren't getting an education. I take the dollar because I take the bank and lose the password. Run on the internet. This is because I spent 50K on liver oyster game subscription. That's $100, dude. Straight up. Dude. So it's 8 and you have to go on 40 minutes? Dude, don't be late for school. What school? Grade school? High school? University college? Binance. It used to be Coinbase. Now it's like Binance. Dude. Everyone's on Binance right now. Like literally, can you be any more less enthusiastic? I heard Keith Kufu says, I heard Binance is good. Yeah. Like, bro, dude, like, come on, dude. Like, so monotone. Where's your local place? Like, I guess secondary? Okay, secondary school. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Like, dude, he's so monotone. Like, dude, he could have got those people excited about Bitcoin. They could have been hyped. But now he's just like, I don't know, it sounds super nerdy and it's boring and it's like this the whole time. And those kids are pretty dumb too, like, to be honest. Because they don't even know the value of a Bitcoin. Oh. Okay, I guess that's, yeah, I don't know, dude. They're pretty boring. Dude, I don't know, what are they learning in school? Till you're 18? So no, there's nothing bad about Coinbase. It's just Coinbase right now. I think it's just super USA. So yeah, there's nothing bad about Coinbase. Gemini app ad. Gemini is another good one. Gemini is owned by the Winklevoss twins, the Facebook twins. Winklevoss twins. Okay. Yeah, so those twins from the Facebook, the social network, they literally after they sued Mark Zuck, after they sued the Zuck, they won the money and then fucking dumped it all into Bitcoin. And now they're like, this was like back in 2013, 2012. And let's just say they're rich. They're rich, dude. They're rich. Yeah, see, everyone hated that too when Coinbase took the sellout feature, to PayPal. Because I think, dude, I think there's something about Bitcoin was $300 back then. Exactly. Dude, exactly. Oh, I didn't know they had these guys own, Gemini Exchange. So
taking Bitcoin in isolation of, putting all the other assets aside, we believe Bitcoin disrupts gold. We think it's a better gold if you look at the properties of money and what makes gold scarcity. Bitcoin's actually fixed in supply. It's better than scarce in gold. It's more portable. It's fungible. It's more durable. It sort of equals or better gold across the board. So if you look at $100 billion market cap today, now last week it might have been more like 200. But so it's actually a buying opportunity. We think that there's a potential appreciation of 30 to 40 times because you look at the gold market today, it's a $7 trillion market. And so a lot of people are starting to see that. They recognize the store of value properties. So we think regardless of the price moves in the last few weeks, it's still a very underappreciated asset. And Bitcoin's just the first cut. If Bitcoin's a better gold, imagine your financial system with only gold as an asset class. That's how sort of early in the beginning of this is. There's going to be a menu of many cryptocurrencies, and they're going to rethink the entire internet and how we sort of view it. You could never buy a piece of the internet back in the 90s. You couldn't buy the protocols. You could invest in a VC firm on Sand Hill Road that had to pick Amazon versus Pets.com. So you had to get lucky. You had to be very privileged and get lucky many times to get it. Now you can just buy a piece of the protocol. So buying Bitcoin is like a call option on the entire Bitcoin ecosystem. A Bitcoin company will not work out before Bitcoin works out itself first. Yep. So the ultimate Bitcoin bet is Bitcoin, or the ultimate Ethereum bet is Ether. And you're basically buying a piece of the racetrack. And you're not picking, Seabiscuit. Doesn't matter who wins as long as the races are running. You're a part of it. And that's the beauty here. And usually the retail investors come in at the end. They get dumped this stuff post-IPO, 10 years after a company was founded. Now retail has been the ones who have been there first. And actually Wall Street is completely asleep at the wheel and late to the game. Silicon Valley has actually completely missed it too. People in Silicon Valley and the companies have maybe personally got it. Some VCs have personally invested in coins, but they structurally were unable to had to invest in C Corps. And so buying gold or buying Bitcoin is not something they do, but the partners were investing their own money. And Silicon Valley very much missed cryptocurrency because they want to miss it. It's not good for the centralized application layer, the FANG companies that sit on top of the internet. Cryptocurrencies actually decentralize that, pull it all down to the layer below, the protocol layer, and the value actually accrues to the people who buy into and use and build the network. Not one company. There's not a headquarters of Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are networks that are centralized and owned by, in a very democratic way, the users of them.
Dude, that was nicely said, dude. That was really nicely said. Sir Hummus, have fun at school, dude. Think about Bitcoin. Come back, just get home safe. Dude, I'm telling you, they're fucking loaded from an $11 million investment in 2013, dude. These guys are fucking loaded. Into Bitcoin 2013. These guys are loaded, dude. They're like fucking loaded. Like fucking, like, dude, these guys are like overnight billionaires, dude. I just want to show you something right here. Bitcoin worth so much, yet you can buy so little. This is why he's probably broke, dude. Because his mentality is spending. Almost the same can be said for gold. I'm sure it's impossible to pay with gold at any store except for a Julie one, maybe. Except pretty much any major bank on the face of it will give you current market value in gold and real cash. Can you just walk into your branch and hand them a chunk of gold and walk out a few minutes later with a wad of cash? At a pawn shop or we buy gold places you see in shadier parts of town. The US does not equal the world. Which is absolutely true. You see that those original commenters are not going to say anything because they can't. They physically can't, dude. Gold's fucking, you can't do anything with fucking gold. But the first thing that I want to say though, Bitcoin worth so much that you can buy so. First thing he's going to do is going to buy stuff. That's the mentality of, I think of why he's still broke. Or he's going to be poor forever. As sad as that is, I think he's going to be poor forever because his mentality is spending rather than investing it and making money from it. $11 million at $120, dude. They actually hold a lot of crypto, dude. And dude, they can. It's a general idea, dude. They clearly have, let's say, over $500 million, dude. Safely to say, over $500 million. Like literally over $500 million, safely. And they can spend the Bitcoin, dude. They totally can. They can just be spending the Bitcoin. They totally could. Because if you have that much Bitcoin, dude, you need to eat and whatnot. These guys are literally just spending Bitcoin. And they have their exchange too, Gemini Exchange. So they're making money off that one as well too. So obviously they have a lot of Bitcoin, they can make an exchange. So they have an exchange. These guys are fucking loaded. Billion, not million. Billion, they have over a billion, dude. And they were also sitting on X amount of million before, dude. So they could have put even more money into Bitcoin. Because they had, the article said they had a total of 65 million from the Facebook lawsuit. And only invested 11. You think that when it went up, dude, or right now, you think at 3K they didn't buy any at 3K? Dude, they loaded up at 3K Bitcoin, dude. They loaded up. Dude, they loaded up at 3K, dude. You're right. Absolutely, dude. I think at 3K they didn't buy any, dude. They fucking loaded up. And you think they only bought Bitcoin? No, they bought all those Ethereum, Litecoin. They have a huge portfolio, dude. And they definitely bought more along the way up. Do you think their exchange is not going to have professional traders and whatnot? They're going to have it, dude. What if they bought some end of 27? They're still going to hold that, though. That's the thing. They're still going to hold that. And it's sold a little, because, I mean, one Bitcoin is still one Bitcoin at that point, right? But they probably were smart and they probably sold. Because they probably, since 2013, dude, they've been in the game for fucking 5 years. 3 years, 4 years, dude. They probably sold. They probably either sold and caused the price of it to come down, or they probably still have it, to be honest. But I feel like they probably could have sold as well too. Because think about it. If their entry point at $120 a coin, dude, they sell at 1,000. They're still profit 10x, 7 times their money. Right? So if they sold at 20 grand, if they sold at 10 grand, dude, they're still made X amount of money on their original investment. They're so for it, dude, and they totally believe it. Totally believe it. You can just hear what they just said there. He's actually speaking facts, dude. They're so into it, dude. Like, they totally believe in it. That's the thing. Okay, let's try the TTS again. Keith Kufu, thank you very much for the 1 diamond, my man. My man, my person, my girl, my copter, however you want to identify, dude. Thank you. Do you have crypto yourself? Because you came in here roasting me about Verge. It's 3 a.m. Do you have any Bitcoin yourself? Whatever you self-identify, man. You get it, dude. I'm just protecting my ass in this day and age. Rabbit, dude. Strawberry. I don't know, dude. Not right now. Just a little bit, man, if you can, dude. Just a little bit. $20 worth, man. That's all you need. If you spend $30 right now, and you get 0.0003, you're, dude. Hold on. Before you go, I want to show you something really quick. Hold on, I just want to show you this before you go. 21 million people, 7.4 billion people, divided by 0.0028. You got that? You can spend $30 right now, okay, and get the same amount, if not a little bit even more, and you will have the exact same amount as everyone on Earth. However, if you were to spend $100, dude, you would easily be part of the top 20% in the world if everyone had a piece of Bitcoin. RWPS, dude, you're doing, yeah, dude, exactly what RWPS is saying. Come into the Discord, join our Discord. I'm gonna put you the link right there. Yo, RWPS, that's clutch, dude, clutch. I'm gonna link you the Discord. Join the Discord, and I'll give you some Bitcoin right now. Yeah, I'll give you a Bitcoin right now. Not 1 Bitcoin, but I'll give you a little bit. And all these other people as well too. RWPS, Leo. I don't know if Leo, do you have crypto? There's a lot of people, dude. And we'll give you some stuff, dude. I'm telling you, dude. That's kind of why, like, a lot of these people have been just, yeah, I've kind of given out. Ezreal has a fucking lot, dude. Ezreal, you have a lot, actually. That's crazy. Ezreal, how do you have $10, dude? People are finding ways to get Bitcoin, dude. There's ways. Keith Kufu. How do you do this? So I seen someone do $1.10 BTC. hold on. You can buy your own. Okay, I'll give you a little bit. Hold on this Discord. You can buy your own. Just want some tips. No, don't do Robinhood. If you're gonna do Robinhood, I don't think you actually own the Bitcoin. You want to actually own the Bitcoin. Gemini, Coinbase, dead storage device is probably the best way. Trezor, Ledger, either way is good, dude. You just want the safest way. I seen somebody do it though. 0.1 BTC. I can't type. $0. Boom. Thanks, Israel. Vati, thank you very much. Dude, now Kiev Kufu, have 10 cents worth of Bitcoin. Straight, dude, I know, right? Looks pretty good. That's a Hurricane LP, whatever. Binance, I wouldn't say is... Binance is good for trading, if you want to get into trading aspects, but... No, that's an Aventador. Damn. Binance is good for trading. It is pretty safe, but recently, maybe last week, 3 weeks, dude, they got hacked. So the best way to keep it safe if you're not trading is to go dead storage, like Trezor or Ledger. That is the best way. RWPS, your name is Okami, eh? It's Okami, right? Does Discord tip actually have a faucet? Yeah, dude, Binance has it hacked. Yeah, they only lost a few Bitcoins. I mean, but they have a insurance fund, so they covered everyone. They paid everyone. They covered it. RWPS, you're Okami? I didn't know about the faucet, dude. What do you mean this Discord's word? What do you mean, dude? Bitcoin cord? Yeah, dude, that's kind of the, I guess, the Discord that I would like to create or have created. So that way when Bitcoin actually does go crazy, I mean, we're in here just talking about it, you know what I mean? That's kind of the vision I would like. So when Bitcoin's going, everyone's just either trading or talking about it, or just literally talking about all the money we've made from it. That's what it is. That's what I would like. Yeah, and thanks for joining the Discord too. And if you have any questions, dude, any one of us, dude, there's people in here that are willing to help. I'm willing to help, answer questions. Uncle. why buy 1252? So you have 1252 Satoshis. So you can go literally, let's go Google 1 BTC to, I guess you're in euros. So let's do okay, so it's like almost, yeah, that's 1 Satoshi. 0.01 Bitcoin is 70 euros. Are you in euros? I don't know if you're in euros. I just assumed that you're in euros. Yeah, so 1252 Satoshis is about 10 cents. Ah, so you know your Bitcoin stuff. You know it's a Satoshi, dude, so you're not completely clueless. You know what's up. You know what's up. You're in Florida and you gotta go to school right now, dude? What? How do you go to school right now, dude? You're a troll, dude. Oh, you gotta go to school tomorrow morning. Duh. Got it. Okay, so like 0.12341 would be 8 cents. So you have 10 cents, so it would be 1250, which is exactly what you have, yeah. Any CC the bond supports, any cryptocurrencies the bond support. Since 2013, yeah, dude. If you're going, dude, yeah, on top of 5K, everyone's going crazy, dude. Dude, you think? Sarah, I've been saying this, dude. You think everyone went crazy at like 20 grand, dude? Just think about when we break 10K again, dude. Think about everyone. The money's just gonna come in, dude. Everyone knows if it goes to 20K. But then again, a lot of people right now are still wrecked, so they're trying to get out. They're trying to make their money, not lose any money, get out. Yo, absolutely. We are still very early adopters. Very early, dude. And that's only 10K, dude. The moment we hit 10K, watch, people are gonna come in, dude. And the moment we break 20K, dude, that's when the real FOMO comes in, dude. Everyone who's gonna cash out, break even, is gonna break even. And then from there, it's just gonna go crazy. Dude, people are actually gonna commit suicide. I'm not even trolling about, I'm not even trying to joke about committing suicide, but people are actually gonna cry, dude. Like 50K, 100K, dude. They're like, dude, I should have bought it at 5K, dude. I heard about Bitcoin in 2017 and I didn't buy it. That's literally what they're gonna say, dude. I heard about 2017 when it 20K, but I didn't buy it, dude. That's literally what people are gonna say, dude. You got people like, yo, I heard it in 2013, but I didn't buy it. Dude, if you heard in 2013, you obviously heard about 2017, you still didn't buy, dude. Dude, you deserve to not buy any. You deserve not to own any Bitcoin. Nice. Nice. Dynamic message you too? Wait. Dynamics says the longest chain. Vati diminish. Vati has its own website. That's sick, dude. Vati.net. Find touch about money as much as slow up to this. No effort for F sub for sub or anything like that. Please do something. Please no spam. Let's say get 200 followers and another 1K to lock. Specs of my stuff. Your laptop, MSI. Dude, that's a beef. Yo, that's a beefed up laptop, dude. Not even gonna lie. Your server. 40 gigabytes, DDR3, 3200. Yeah, that's pretty dope. That's cool. You have your website, dude. That looks real cool, actually. Bought at 18K, tipped you a bit, RWPS, thank you. And then Holo, he sold at like 12. No, he didn't answer yet. Thank you, dudes. Welcome to the chain gang. Absolutely, dude. Exactly what RWPS. Welcome. You don't have to accept it, dude. You just automatically get it. If someone sends it over to you, like you just get it. That's this Discord tip bot. That's what it is. Keith Kufu got you some. Let's see. You got one Doge as well too. He just tipped all the Doge. That's all you have for Doge, Okami? Yeah. Rep. Yeah, you literally just get it. For instance, Bitcoin is peer-to-peer. Selection should I use to HODL until by cold storage? I honestly think Binance is pretty safe, to be honest. Even though even that they got hacked, they are pretty safe right now. Because they are the exchange with the biggest volume. They are pretty safe. Getting attacked with crypto. This site is in finished state right now. It looks it does look, yeah, it does, obviously it doesn't look good to have it, not completed. Yo, Vati, you have Twitch? I may have not seen it. I just may have not seen it. Yeah, you got Twitch. Okay, hold on. Hold up. Yo, absolutely, man. You know what's up. You know it, dude. Keith, you know it. Exactly. Banks use our money like it's fucking... Yo, TTS voice? Dude, we're trying to figure it out right now. Hold up. I don't think TTS is working right now. Chat overlay. Right, launch chat TTS window. Click here to activate text-to-speech. I'm going to change our voice to Victoria because it was pretty good. She had a nice voice.
Vadi the Minish says test.
Yo, test.
Dispertum says oi 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 oi.
It works. Yo, honestly, I would say Paper Wallet is better than cold storage because cold storage still somewhat connects to the internet, where Paper Wallet does not connect to the internet. So that means it doesn't really, like, it can't really get hacked. However, now there's a conspiracy theory that some paper wallets...
Dr. 1206 says XD well at least TTS cam do not loud XD.
Can do not out? Dude, I can't do this TGS. I just lose complete train of thought. Paper wallet.
Keith Kufu says yeah lol, it's fucking paper.
It's paper, exactly. Yeah, absolutely. It's fucking paper, so you can't even get hacked from it. But I think cold storage is pretty safe, to be honest.
Dispertum says the thing goes scra. Pap pap KAKAKASKIDIKI pap pap. The PUUPUUPOUDRRR boom skia. Doo doo cuckoo doom doom boom boom. You done now.
The thing goes scra.
Dark Druid 1206 says she sounds hyper XD.
She sounds pretty hyper, doesn't she? Victoria, what was the other
Body the
one?
Minish says my sprinkler goes like and comes back like Keith Kufu says Yakult
Come
is
back
so
like
much safer than exchanges. RWPS says hello welcome Irmich Harin.
hello, welcome.
Keith Kufu says oh don't make me drop some Googleisms in here.
Oh no, oh no. Wait, hold on, there was
Dispertum says at Keith Kufu.
hello, well, you hear me? Ich hear and hear it.
Telongestlein seis hallo Welt könnt ihr mich hören. Kief Kufu seist du lädt. Fatite minisch seist und just het et wen jo ket wakes jo up like dis meo m. Kief Kufu seist tresen timeli tremyri tremeli duotriginta trezentillion.
What?
Disportum seis ese valocum. Kief Kufu send A-Sticker. Dark Druid 1206 seist German?
Yeah, dude, that's German, dude. Hallo, welcome ihr mich hören. I literally just learned this the other day, yesterday, 2 days ago.
seist English PLS.
It means, hello world, can you hear me?
Kief Kufu seist ich speak English. Dark Druid 1206 seist Same. Body the Minish says I'm a computer I don't need a live view however. Disportum says Riasan Z sich Susaman. Thilongis Chain says hallo well kunt IHR Mitch Haran. RWPS says Lisserb Sawuridi Thilimid. Keef Kufu says Tremilia tracentra trigintillion.
How much is that? Like, how much is that, dude?
Body the Minish says I'm a computer I don't need a live view however. Body the Minish says ops. Body the Minish says it didn't copy. Keef Kufu says Alad.
Alad.
Body the Minish says planes go washes. Dark Druid 1206 says that's a lot. Keef Kufu sent a link.
Googleology.
Body the Minish says boats go drip drip. RWPS says boom 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 and the brothers say Keef Kufu says 109,999,999,999. Disportum says what. Keef Kufu says 10 cap 9,999,999,999. Disportum says banana.
We're slightly close to a trillion log. That's a fat number.
Disportum says the lawnmower goes shershia vavavum share and rice burners go Body the Minish says 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999. Dark Druid 1206 just followed. Keef Kufu says look up
Yo, Dark, thank you for the follow.
Keef Kufu says if you thought a Google was
Dark
large.
Druid.
Keef Kufu sent a sticker. Dark Druid 1206 says XD. Disportum says my rafflecopter goes soy 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 s. Dark Druid 1206 says messing with TTS is best thing ever XD. Keef Kufu says yeah on there. Keef Kufu says here start at 1,000,000. Keef Kufu sent a link. Keith Kufu says welcome to the world of Googleisms.
This is Googleisms, eh? What is Googleism? It's just like these crazy stuff? Oh, the large number encyclopedia. Million, dual,
RWPS says Ariaika. Disportum says
I think it's broken. I think it's actually broken.
Disportum says okay, I'm going to sleep. Keith Kufu says I sent you down a wormhole. Disportum sent a sticker. Disportum gifted 1 ice cream. Disportum gifted 1 lemon. Keith Kufu says a Googleism is just a name for a number. Vadi the Minish says, grinning face with clenched teeth. 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 Keith Kufu says yeah, like a million is a Googleism. Keith Kufu says like Google. Vadi the Minish says, smiling face with squinting eyes. 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 Smiling face with squinting eyes.
Yo, all this
Keith Kufu says
TTS builds
RWPS
the
sent a
chest.
sticker. Dark Druid 1206 says wow. RWPS says plat kappa. Keith Kufu sent a sticker. Leo X White says kekakik. Body the Minish says I got tired so I took a bit of a rake. Dark Druid 1206 says I won't think shed read all those he's. Disportum says she ran out of breath. Body the Minish says lol. Keith Kufu says I got the horses in horse. Dark Druid 1206 says W's. Keith Kufu says I'm gonna take my horse to the old town horse. Disportum says grinning face with clenched teeth. Body the Minish says, kissing face with squinting eyes. Kissing face with closed eyes. Kissing face with squinting eyes. Kissing face with closed eyes.
Yo,
Kissing
man.
face with squinting eyes. Kissing face with closed eyes. Kissing face with squinting eyes. Kissing face with closed eyes. Kissing face with squinting eyes. Kissing face with closed eyes. Kissing face with squinting eyes. Kissing face with closed eyes. Kissing face with squinting eyes. Kissing face with closed eyes. Kissing face with squinting eyes. Kissing face with closed eyes. Keith Kufu says, Santa Claus, baby angel, MRS, Claus, student, woman, student, man, doctor,
Okay,
man,
chill.
teacher, woman, teacher, man, farmer, woman, farmer, man. Dark Druid 1206 says yes it does. Vadi the Minish says. Vadi the Minish says, grinning cat face, 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 grinning cat face,
Oh,
grinning
dude,
cat
if this
face,
bot was
grinning
on
cat
Discord,
face,
it'd be
grinning
over.
cat face, grinning cat face. RWPS says stop. Vadi the Minish says, construction worker, woman, 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 comma construction worker, woman, construction worker, woman. Moist lemon farmer says wet black mascara. Thelongist chain says raw star. Vadi the Minish says rip at RWPS. Keith Kufu says kissing face. Dark Druid 1206 says now I just want this bot on Discord. Vadi the Minish sent a link. Vadi the Minish says low. Vadi the Minish says L. Keith Kufu says lol. Keith Kufu says that he is the smartest person alive. Keith Kufu sent a sticker. Vadi the Minish says I was sending the long named ones. Vadi the Minish says from there. Moist Lemon Farmer says I love you. Dark Druid 1206 says nice.
Moist Farmer, I love you too. You guys are pretty cool. This is some funny ass shit.
Keith Kufu says that he likes the longest chains streams.
Thanks, dude. Much appreciated. Thank you. We try our best. We try our best. Oh, no way.
Keith Kufu sent a sticker.
But he likes the longest chain stream. No, Keith Kufu.
The longest chain sent a sticker.
I guess you haven't seen our collection here as well too. So if you go on the site that the Sporta made, the Peppies.
The longest chain sent a link. Keith Kufu says OMG he has the Googleism tab still gonna go down the Googleism wormhole.
You can literally see any of the
Dark
Peppies
Druid 1206 says I'm back. RWPS says Owls dare clappers clang clappers clapper clang. Clang dare clappers clang clappers clapper. Keith Kufu sent a sticker.
So any
Keith
of these
Kufu
you
says
can copy. You click on it and it automatically copies for you. And then you just go and
Keith
paste
Kufu
it.
sent a sticker. The longest
it's
chain
just gonna
sent a
come up.
sticker.
And I think right now,
Keith Kufu says bro I love you.
I think Desportum's, I think his collection right now is,
Keith Kufu sent a sticker.
I think it's the only one on D-Live right now. No one else has it. So right now you can only save 20 stickers. Nope, not with this thing. You can save
Keith
technically a
Kufu
lot
says
more.
I have all the peep stickers now.
Yeah.
Keith Kufu sent a sticker.
There's
Keith
literally
Kufu sent a
all the
sticker.
Pepe stickers.
Keith Kufu sent a sticker. Keith Kufu sent a sticker.
These
Keith
are
Kufu
literally
sent a
all the
sticker.
Pepe stickers.
RWPS sent a sticker. Keith Kufu 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 sent a sticker. Dark Druid 1206 says oh no. Keith Kufu says lol. The longest chain sent a sticker. Vadi the Minish says lol. Keith Kufu says I love this. Dark Druid 1206 says we're doomed. Keith Kufu says so glad I tuned in and you showed me that.
Thank Desportum for that.
Keith Kufu says bookmarked it.
And it should be pretty updated. I think the goal is to put like other stickers as well too. So it's gonna be like D-Live's biggest sticker
Keith Kufu says
collection
thank you
essentially.
Disportum. Keith Kufu says Disportum. Vadi the Minish says JK. The longest chain said LOL. Keith Kufu sent a sticker. Moist Lemon Farmer says my sprinkler goes like this and comes back like ta.
It doesn't say tat. It just says. I think you need to collect.
The longest chain says my sprinkler goes like this and comes back like t t t t t t t t t t t t t t t t t t t. Dark Druid 1206 says I am gonna try something. Keith Kufu sent a sticker. Keith Kufu says sprinklers go STS. Vadi the Minish says JK. The longest chain said TSTS and TTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTTT PF. Dark Druid 1206 says may kick me now XD. Keith Kufu sent a sticker. The longest chain says my sprinkler goes like this and comes back like t t t t t t t t t. Vadi
That
the
one's
Minish
so
says
good.
rip at RWPS colon. Keith Kufu says this.
That's so good. That one's actually so good.
Moist Lemon Farmer says ha 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 ha. Keith Kufu says dead. RWPS says Braps. Dark
Braps.
Druid 1206 says more RS inbound. The longest chain says ours. The longest chain says ours. Keith Kufu says it's almost like Asmer. Keith Kufu says tis. The longest chain says shots. RWPS says big a pays.
Oh, pays.
RWPS sent a sticker. The longest chain says boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats. Keith Kufu says fox. Dark Druid 1206 says
Yeah, there's a maximum chat amount.
RTH. Keith Kufu says the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy fox. Dark Druid 1206 says oh hey there's a chat max. The longest chain says boots and casts and boots and cats boots and casts and boots and cats boots and casts and boots and cats boots and casts and boots and cats. Keith Kufu sent a sticker.
Keith Kufu sent a sticker.
Vadi the Minish says hoda 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 hoda. Moist Lemon Farmer says can you guys hear that helicopter? RWPS says a mamalat anamila hamazwara ana daham. Abba rabarba mamalat hamakana. Keith Kufu says Keith Kufu says. Keith Kufu says this is amazing I'm glad I didn't leave yet. RWPS sent a sticker.
Yo, I don't know what you said.
Dark Druid 1206 says Keith Kufu says.
But that was amazing. That was
Keith
absolutely
Kufu
amazing.
says the Papo sirens go whoop 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 whoop. The longest chain says a mamalat anamila hamazwara ana daham. Abba rabarba mamalat hamakana.
That's amazing.
Vadi the Minish says this is just how the average stream with the longest chain is.
We don't really have an agenda, dude. We kind of just go all over the place.
Vadi the Minish says, P.
Vati is, yeah, it is true. We just kind of go all over the place, dude, like that. Just chilling, you know? Like we talk about Bitcoin stuff, and then we just chill and come back. That's pretty much it.
Dark Druid 1206 says I'm good with this plan.
Oh, so what I was saying though, if you only spend $100, you would be in the top 20%, dude, of everyone in the whole world. Because right now, if everyone has a little bit, 0.003,
RWPS says whoop whoop, that's
dude,
the sound of
you'd be the top
Thuckalese.
percent.
Keith Kufu says Ladin billion illion. Keith Kufu says whoop whoop.
Whoop whoop, that's the sound of the police.
Keith Kufu says oh yeah I'm planning on hodling thousands.
Yeah, dude, literally thousands. I'll be right back. Hold on, I'm gonna grab a snack.
Keith Kufu says what wop. Keith Kufu says woo up.
Vadi the Minish said hi.
RWPS says Biberacher Bierbrauer Brauen Bestandig Bronze Biberacher Bach Bier Beswillige Bachus Bruder Behaupten Biswielen. Biberacher Bier Birash. Dark Druid 1206 says what will he snack on I wonder. Keith Kufu says woo up woo up.
Vadi the
Das the
Minish
sound
said
of the
Discord
police.
has it also okay mate. Vadi the Minish said test.
Dark Druid 1206 says Ochi. Keith Kufu says WTF. Dark Druid 1206 says crap. RWPS says Borsten mit Schwarzen Borsten besser als Borsten mit Wiesen Borsten.
Keith Kufu said I like eating ass.
Dark Druid 1206 says he has a Discord TTS thing on as well I think XD.
Vadi the Minish said it used to be a lot faster.
Vadi the Minish says yeah. RWPS says der Kottbuser Postkutscher Putz den Kottbuser Postkutschkasten und der Potsdamer Postkutscher Putz den Potsdamer Postkutschkasten. Dark Druid 1206 says I honestly forgot Discord had that. Vadi the Minish says the TTS on Discord is awfully slow between messages now. Vadi the Minish says it used to be faster. Keith Kufu says okay I'm gonna boss guys thank you for the Discord invite and the help and BTC lol. Vadi the Minish says wee woo wee woo wee woo. Vadi the Minish says saya at Keith Kufu. Keith Kufu says IDK how to get it but I'm gonna buy some BTC myself. Vadi the Minish says an exchange. Keith Kufu says maybe 10 years from now the 10 cents he sends me will be like 10 bucks lol. RWPS says you can get help on Discord. Vadi the Minish says.
Vadi the Minish said this used to be better.
Keith Kufu says okay. Keith Kufu sent a sticker.
Vadi the Minish said now
Keith
it's
Kufu
slow.
sent a sticker. Moist Lemon Farmer says what sort of hell? RWPS sent a sticker. Dark Druid 1206 says look into the infinity. RWPS says money 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 makes the world go funny. Keith Kufu says tell Chain I appreciate his help and like the stream. Dark Druid 1206 says will do. Vadi the Minish says at Moiselman firmer help with crypto. Keith Kufu sent a sticker. RWPS says Dean Mutter Tanz Zoo Hoop there it is. Moist Lemon Farmer says, thumbs up, okay hand. RWPS says I love that XD. Vadi the Minish says, backhand index finger pointing left, backhand index finger pointing right, up pointing index, backhand index finger pointing up, backhand index finger pointing down, oh wait, reversed hand with middle finger extended. Dark Druid 1206 says oh card can't stay, Phonia at 16. Dark Druid 1206 says phone. Vadi the Minish says Saya at Dark Druid 1206. Moist Lemon Farmer says ugh 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 ugh. Dark Druid 1206 says Saya. Vadi the Minish says glove 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 glove. RWPS says Tuber Simulator is still relevant. RWPS says ku 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 kumo. Philongis Chain says Kumonman.
Come on, man. The new Binance is sleek. Oh, no. Dump it all. Dump everything. Sir. You know, honestly, buy any crypto, do anything, get golden.
Vadi the Minish says the KKK is cool. PST it's the cool kid club not anything else.
Yeah, that's a cool kids club. Join the cool kids club now.
RWPSS der Whiskey Willy mixed whiskey. I am Whiskey Erglas. I am Whiskey Erglas mixed whiskey Willy whiskey. Vadi the Minish says get wrecked scrub.
Meow, 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 meow.
Moist Lemon Farmer says that's where I get the idea. Face with tears of joy.
The get wrecked scrub. Dude, the sprinkler one is actually amazing. This one's pretty great too.
Thilongus Chain says a mamalad and amila hamazwara ana daham. Abba rabarba mamalad hamakana.
That one's pretty good too, actually.
RWPS says Ramalam ding dong Ramalam ding ding dong Ramalama ding dong Ramalama ding.
Where are you coming up with this, RWPS?
RWPS says oh I got a girl named Ramalama. Ramalama ding dong she's everything to me. RWPS says Ramalama. Ramalama ding dong I'll never set her free for she's mine. All mine. RWPS says oh I got a girl named Ramalama. Ramalama ding dong. RWPS says she's fine to me Ramalama. Ramalama ding dong you don't believe that she's mine. All mine.
She's all yours? Dude, my girl.
RWPS says I love her. Love her so that I'll never let her go you may. Autork says la 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 la.
I need USDT to margin trade. I see.
RWPS says whoa. Black Betty. Bamalam whoa. Black Betty. Bam-a-lam, Black Betty had a child. Bam-a-lam, the damn thing gone wild. Bam-a-lam. RWPS says she said I'm worrying out of my mind. Bam-a-lam, the damn thing gone blind. Bam-a-lam, I said oh Black Betty. Bam-a-lam, whoa. Black Betty. Bam-a. Body the Minish says BRB. RWPS says whoa. Black Betty. Bam-a-lam, whoa. Black Betty.
think I'm gonna go sleep
Bam-a-lam,
soon.
she
I'm
really
gonna go
gets
sleep
me
right now
high.
too, I think.
Bam-a-lam.
I think we're driving
RWPS
back
says you
tomorrow,
know
so I'll
that's
be
no
back
lie.
tomorrow.
Bam-a-lam, she's so rock steady. Bam-a-lam, and she's always ready. Bam-a-lam. RWPS says whoa. Black Betty. Bam-a-lam, whoa. Black Betty. Bam-a-lam, whoa. Black.
Yeah, this is a long drive I gotta make tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna go to sleep. So you guys have a good night. Good day. It's been fun.
Trick
Probably
2FS gifted
stream
1 lemon.
Trick 2FS, Trick 2G. Thank you for the 1 lemon. If you haven't followed us, give us a follow. Usually we're pretty cool like this. Yeah, we're pretty cool like this. So just give us a follow. We do stuff like that all the time, I think. Most of the time. Now that we have text to speech.
RWPS says good night.
Yeah, good night, RWPS. Good night, everybody. It's time to go sleep. Later.